Okay, we got our vehicle here, say 2012 Honda Fit. We're going to do an oil and filter change, and this young lady right here is going to do all the work. I'm just going to supervise and make sure she does it okay. First thing we're going to do is we got the wheels chocked, we got the parking brake on. She's doing the jacking up over here right now. All right, she's cranking it up right now. Oh, that ought to be good. And she has it underneath. Alright. Alright, slowly let it down. Let it very slow. Okay, that's good. Now lock it back. Alright, see that bolt right there?
Engine oil.
That's your oil pan. See that bolt in the very back down there?
This one?
Yep. That's the one you want to break.
Yeah, not good in my face.
Yep.
I'm gonna move it on this side.
And make sure you put your hand up on the wrench there next to the bolt and pull down on it.
Oh my god!
Okay.
I can't get it undone.
Okay, let me break it loose for you.
Jeez. He's the one that tightened it.
There you go now. You can just screw the bolt out. You don't need the wrench now, just screw it out.
Oh.
Just make sure the oil goes in the pan.
There you go.
Yep, hold on to the bolt. Now, isn't this fun?
Awesome.
All right.
Independence.
Needs to be washed under here. It's gross. I'm putting the nut back in with the new washer for a seal.
Putting the bolt back in with a new crush washer, metal crush washer. Now use the box end. That's the round part. There's the less chance of slipping on you if you use the other end.
I mean, you could probably get it tighter than me though.
You got it?
As tight as I can get it.
All right, I'll check it and see what it looks like. All right, she's getting ready to take the oil filter off now. Yep, there you go, it's turning. You getting it. Go, girl, go. Give her another shot there. Got your oil pan underneath?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now you could probably do it by hand now. And just drain all the oil out. Alright, so you're going to wipe off the flange there that the oil filter was screwed in on. Okay. You don't see no old gasket or nothing on there, do you?
No.
Just plain old metal, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Now when you wipe the rag on there, make sure you don't see any lint on there. Of course, we shook the rag off. You don't want to see any piece of the red lint hanging around on there, okay?
Yep. Where's the new one?
You ready for the new one?
Yep.
Now she's taking clean engine oil and putting on the gasket. That'll help it seal a little bit there. So you won't have dry rubber coming up next to it. You might want to put you a little bit of oil down inside. Whoa. See how the oil is going down inside?
Mm-hmm.
So let's take and put a little, not about as bad as you, Anna.
Worse.
Now let's wipe this thing off, son. You can tell this is unedited. This is in real time. Okay. Alright. Now you want to take that and get it screwed up on there. You want to try to do it as fast as you can so the oil don't try to come out. Okay? Now when you screw it on, it's going to screw on easy, okay? So you're going to make sure you don't cross-thread it. It goes on easy, don't it? Mm-hmm. Alright, so whip it on there. Screw it on up.
Can I see the rag? It's all slippery.
Yeah, it's slippery now.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead and wipe it off that excess on there as good as you can. Alright, can you get a good grip on it? Now what you want to do is take your hand and try to turn it about another 3/4 turn since you already got it up to the flange there.
Okay.
So go ahead and tighten it on up with your hand. Let's see how you do. Go ahead. Snug her up. Give her a grip.
That's all I can do.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I just checked the oil filter. She did a pretty good job on it, so it's up there pretty good. So now we're going to get ready to put some oil in here. Alright, this is where the oil goes. I'm going to hold the funnel here and I'm going to let her do the hard work. See if I can get it in there.
You ready?
Yep. This car takes about 4 gallons. I mean, 4 gallons. 4 quarts. So we got some measurements on the side of the jug, so we're just going to go by that right there. We'll probably stop it just a little shy of that. We'll run the engine. Then after, you know, gets circulated around in there, then we'll stop it, and 2 or 3 minutes later we'll come back and we'll check the oil level. Okay, you got a little ways more to go.
About half one.
Yep. Yeah, a little more. A little more. Oh, that ought to do it. Okay. Alright, so go ahead and jack it up so we can get it down level. Oh, that's good. Alright, now pull your jack out. Jack stand. Alright, now slowly turn it counterclockwise so it starts coming down. A little bit more.
My hands are all greasy.
Okay. Alright, go ahead and crank it up. What do you think? Good job, huh? Okay, that'll be good enough. Let's turn it off. Then we'll let the oil settle back down through the oil pan.
Okay, so we're checking the oil level.
right, you are very, very close. Just a smidgen from that hole, which will give you the full. So let's add just a little bit more oil, and you will be done. Go ahead. No more. Okay, that should be good. Oh my. We don't want to do that, do we? This is live, folks. Don't come here for no oil changes unless you want oil on your headlights, okay? Okay. Now let's see what she looks like here.
Awesome.
You are dead on it. Right there. Yep. Perfect. Okay. All right, let's crank it up, and we're going to check the leaks, make sure everything looks good there. Alright, madam, you want to get over there and take a look? I think we're fine.
I don't see anything.
Yep, looks good to me. Okay, we'll let it run for another 2 or 3 minutes. We'll just make sure that we don't have an oil leak, but I think this job is wrapped up. Appreciate you guys watching, and then now you can talk to your wives and girlfriends there. You don't feel like changing the oil and filter, get them out there to do it, okay? We'll see you guys later. What are you laughing for?